Hello class 11, hope all are doing great and hope you're all watching my videos. Yeah, great. Today we'll be solving the problem from your textbook. Okay, so I request all of you take page number 1612, exercise 16b. You can copy the problem number 9. Okay, the question is differentiate the following functions. All right, this is the given question. So first step what we will do is we'll assign this value to be y. Y is equal to root x minus 1 by root x. What is our aim? We have to differentiate with respect to x. Okay, here you have minus, correct, which means we'll apply the difference rule or subtraction rule. As per the rule, we have to differentiate the first term. We should differentiate the second term. All right. Before differentiating, okay, we'll do some modifications. Root x, I can write it as square root x. I can write it as x to the power half. Right. Minus 1 divided by square root of x. I can write it as here also x to the power half. Okay students, now what we can do is we can bring x to the power half to the numerator for easy simplification and for getting the result much faster. Okay, we'll keep this as it is. We have not differentiated so far, keep that in mind. We are just doing the simplifications. X to the power half, we'll keep it as it is, minus 1 times, as per the rule, if the positive power, what is the power here? Half. If it comes to the numerator, it will become negative power, right? That is the rule. We can write it as x to the power minus half. Okay, so 1 we can ignore. Okay, 1 multiplied by any term, you will get the same value, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the first term as it is, minus 1 times x to the power minus half is x to the power minus half. Okay, now only we are going to differentiate. Okay, we will apply the rule of differentiation. Differentiate with respect to x. As per the rule, we have to differentiate each and every term. Okay, what is differentiation of y with respect to x? dy by dx. Excellent. What is the power of, what is the value of n here? Half, 1 by 2. So the rule is n. What is n actually? Half times x to the power n. What is n? Half minus 1. Students, when you practice only, you will get the answer correctly. Okay, that's why I request all of you to practice sincerely. Okay, in this video itself, I'll give some problem for practicing so that it's going to be very easy for you. Okay, for any kind of test to appear. Okay, so what I have done, I have applied the basic rule, the power rule. Okay, we have to differentiate the first term, x to the power half. I can write it as n is half times x to the power half minus 1. Okay, and next minus, again we have to differentiate the second term. What is n actually? Minus half n into x to the power n minus 1. What is n actually? Minus half minus 1. You can have a look. What I have done so far, I assigned to the variable y, x square root of x can be written as x to the power half minus 1 divided by x to the power half, and then I brought this positive power of half to the numerator. It will become x to the power minus half. Okay, and then we are going to differentiate using the power rule. You can have a look. Understood, students? Still the problem is not over. Okay, we are going to differentiate. So what we got, okay, so far what we got dy by dx. I'll write it again here. Half into x to the power half minus 1 minus, put it in a bracket, minus half into x to the power minus half minus 1. Okay, this is what we have done so far, which is equal to half times x to the power, take the LCM, 2 is the LCM, cross multiply, 2 ones are 2, so 1 minus 2 the whole term divided by 2. Okay, minus, when I remove the bracket, minus and minus will become positive, right? So what you have, half times x to the power, okay, again take the LCM, so what you will have, 2 into negative 1 will become negative 2. So I can write this as minus 1 minus 2 whole term divided by 2, which is equal to half times x to the power, what is 1 minus 2? Negative 1 divided by 2, plus half into x to the power, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 by 2. Here negative and negative you can add up, but the sign will not change. Alright, now what I can do is I can bring x to the power negative half to the denominator. Okay, so I can write this as half times x to the power positive half. Negative power, when it comes to the denominator, will become positive half, right? Plus half times, okay, again 1 by, I can bring x to the power minus 3 by 2 to the denominator, will become x to the power 3 by 2. Which is equal to 1 ones are 1 divided by 2 into x to the power half, I can write as root x, right? Plus 1 ones are 1 divided by 2 into x to the power 3 by 2. This is your dy by dx. You can check the answer. You can have a look how I have solved it. You can make a note. If you're following the video sincerely, I'm very sure you can understand. It's not going to be difficult. First we simplified, okay? We assigned to the variable y, and then root x can be written as x to the power half minus 1 divided by root x can be written as x to the power half. I brought the x to the power half to the numerator, become x to the power minus half. Then what we did, 1 multiplied by x to the power minus half is x to the power minus half. We have to differentiate each and every term, apply the basic power rule. So half into x to the power n minus 1, half minus 1 minus, what is n here? Minus half. So minus half into x to the power half minus 1 now. Okay, then what we did, yeah, here it is. Then what we did, half into, we simplified it for the x to the power. So take the LCM, 2 ones are 2, 1 minus 2 divided by 2, minus and minus will become positive, half into x to the power minus 1 multiply 2 into negative 1 will become negative 2, the whole term divided by 2. Okay, which is equal to half times x to the power 1 minus 2 will give you negative 1 divided by 2, plus half times x to the power minus 1 minus 2 will give you minus 3 by 2. Again we simplified it. We brought x to the power negative half to the denominator. It will become 1 by x to the power half, plus half into x to the power minus 3 by 2 can be written as 1 by x to the power 3 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 into x to the power half is root x, plus 1 ones are 1 divided by 2 x to the power 3 by 2. this is the answer. Understood? If you have any doubt, you can just leave a message in really. I'll be really happy to help you, students. Okay, but I want everyone to practice sincerely at home. Okay, calculus is a little difficult, all right, but if you understand the concept, if you understand the rules, it's going to be very, very easy. Okay, no need to worry at all. Okay, students. So finally, I'll give some practice problems. I'll be giving some practice problems for you. All right, you can solve this. And then you can submit under assignment on calculus. Okay, practice sincerely, because promotion will not be, postponed to next year. So whatever I'm taking the class, do follow it sincerely. Okay, the question is differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. First problem, you can take it down, students. First problem is 4 root x. Okay. Second problem, you can do 8 by root x. 8 by root x. See, root x, we can bring it to the numerator, right? And then you can differentiate. Okay. And then you can also do the problem 3, 7 by x square. Here also bring x square to the numerator, become x to the power minus 2. Okay. If you want, I can give you a hint. Y is equal to 7 into x to the power minus 2, and then differentiate. Okay. Are you all following? Great. Okay. Fourth one. 2 by x cube. Again the same thing. 2 into x to the power x cube, if it come to the denominator, x to the power minus 3, and then differentiate. Okay. And in your textbook, that is exercise 16b, okay, if you see a problem number 12, you have 8x cube minus x square plus 5 minus 2 by x plus 4 by x cube. Okay, so here you have minus plus like that, which means you have to differentiate each and every term. Assign this value to be y. Okay, apply the power rule for this. Okay, and here you can first simplify. You can bring x to the numerator, become x to the power minus 1. If you want, I can write it. Y is equal to 8x cube minus x square plus 5, because we are not going to make any changes for this, minus 2x. If it comes to the numerator, it will become x to the power minus 1 plus 4x cube. If it comes to the numerator, it will become x to the power minus 3, and then you differentiate. Okay, you differentiate and practice well, students. I'll give some more problems under announcement section in really. All right, so that you can make use of your time wisely. Okay, you can use the time productively at home. Okay, students, hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.